Masarap naman siya eh.
Authentic ramen shop.
Kaya lang nabulyawan kami.
So full.
Maingay kasi, bawal magsalita. Bawal maingay. Lalo na pag hindi nila naintindihan.
Sabi ng anak mo, better than, this is better than this.
Try natin to. Gabing-gabi na. Pagod na kami. Mahirap mamili. So sweet.
Oh, I wanna try this.
Dipping noodle.
Dipping noodle.
Take chicken soup ramen. I'll take this one.
Thick chicken soup ramen. It's like a. It looks like it's like a. What's it called?
Take chicken soup ramen.
It's
What?
not like thin noodles. It's like the lasagna sheets.
Yeah, that's enough. I'm good.
I'll try the dish.
This one? How about your Jay? You can do.
You can try the regular.
You can add pork belly, pork loin.
I'll just get this one. Or actually, I want this one. Thanks.
Yeah,
Or
two.
can we just share? I think
No, there's no sharing. I'll finish it.
Okay, I'll just get this. I'll just get this one.
Put your money first. 2,000. Ayun na.
I'm doing direction.
O, ikaw na. Para ma... pindutin yung trade. 2,000 yun. May sukli ka pa. 500. Magano? 16. Pindutin mo. Tayo na bilyawan ka na. Yan. Masarap pa. Ano natin? Mm. Ang sarap. Mm. Mm. Sarap pa. Hindi natin bawang. Dipping. Pinamahag mo. Perfect cook.
Sabi ng anak mo, better than, this is better than this one.
Naubos ko na. Bawal lang magsalita. Magingay. Naubos ko na.
Try mo to, kahit
Pwede ba magpalit? Google mo. Ay, hindi na ubos si Marie. Ako raw ubos. Tignan natin. Dipping to. Dipping dito.
mas Korean. Stronger flavor. Then,
Ayun, busog na ako.
may gusto nito.
Busog na ako. Masarap naman siya eh.
Authentic ramen shop.
Kaya lang nabulyawan kami.
So full.
Maingay kasi, bawal magsalita. Bawal maingay. Lalo na pag hindi nila naintindihan. Hindi nila hindi nila language.
Stop walking. We don't know where we're going.
Oh, uwi na tayo. Pero masarap. Peace.